Hi there, fellow homebodies. Welcome to the fall season. What better way to ring it in than with our very own homemade fall wreath? This took about an hour and a half if I count my setup and cleanup time, and it costs less than half the price of a wreath that I would find at another store. So let's go ahead, let's craft this together and ring in our fall season. My supplies consist of a wreath, different flowers, wire cutters, wire, and a glue gun, just so we can put everything together. Get started here. I'm just going to be trimming a couple of pieces so I can arrange them and see exactly where they'll go before I tie them down or glue them. And I will try to leave the stems a little longer. Remember, measure twice, cut once, right? It's easier to trim them later than to end up too short and have trouble securing them to the wreath. Start arranging things and getting an idea where I want them before I start securing things. I'm going to do those bigger flowers first, and then I could fill in the gaps with my smaller flowers. Because these flowers do have those flexible, bendable stems, a lot of them are holding on very nicely without being glued down. Okay, so I might go ahead, plug in my glue gun, and try to anchor where I can for these big ones. I like the combination, but unfortunately I can't get it to bend to stay where I want it. So I think for this one, I'm gonna have to use some wire. Just gonna loop it through. Hopefully I can get it. In my wreath. present to you our finished wreath. Feel free to save your extra flowers and foliage for future projects. And for me, I'm going to spruce up my little table centerpiece right here. I do like these colors.